So let me show you how. Clean headlights using steam restoration permanently. Let's do this together. So we first need to gather supplies. You'll need a steam cleaner, microfiber cloths, water, and optional protective gear like gloves. We then prepare the area. Park your vehicle in a shaded area to prevent the headlights from drying too quickly. Now we are to clean the headlights. Use the steam cleaner to apply steam directly to the headlight lens. Keep the nozzle a few inches away to avoid damage. Move the steam around to soften dirt and oxidation. Wipe down. After steaming, use a microfiber cloth to wipe away debris. If needed, repeat the steaming process. Optional polishing. For further restoration, you can use a plastic polish after cleaning. Final inspection. Check for clarity and repeat the process if necessary. Seal. Optional. Consider applying a headlight sealant to protect against future oxidation.